Imagine your body as a beautiful, complex garden. To keep it healthy and flourishing, you need to know how to care for it. From planting seeds to nurturing growth, reproductive health is like learning to be a good gardener of your body. It's about understanding the changes that happen as you grow, making informed choices, and knowing how to protect yourself. Reproductive health involves understanding how our bodies work in terms of reproduction, making informed decisions, and staying safe and healthy. Let's break down some key aspects of reproductive health in a simpler way. Contraception or birth control helps prevent unwanted pregnancies. There are several methods available, each with its own benefits. Think of barriers like a garden fence that keeps out unwanted animals. These include condoms, diaphragms, and cervical caps. They physically block sperm from reaching the egg. Condoms are a common choice because they also help protect against sexually transmitted infections. It's like setting a sprinkler system on a timer, only allowing water, eggs to flow when you want it to. These include birth control pills, patches, injections, and implants. They work by controlling hormones to stop ovulation, release of eggs, making it hard for sperm to reach an egg or for an egg to implant in the uterus. These are small devices placed in the uterus. They can be hormonal or non-hormonal like copper IUDs and work by making it difficult for sperm to fertilize an egg. These involve tracking fertility signals or practicing certain behaviors like withdrawal or breastfeeding to prevent pregnancy. Sterilization, such as tubal ligation for women or vasectomy for men, is a permanent way to prevent pregnancy. STIs are infections that are spread mainly through sexual contact. Some common STIs include bacterial infections that can cause issues if not treated but often have no symptoms. A bacterial infection that starts with sores and can become serious if untreated. A virus that weakens the immune system and can lead to AIDS. It's managed with medications but is a lifelong condition. A virus that can cause genital warts and in some cases lead to cancer. Vaccines are available to prevent certain types of HPV. Causes sores on the mouth or genitals. It's managed with treatment, but there's no cure. To prevent STIs, use condoms, get regular screenings, and consider vaccinations like for HPV. Infertility means having trouble getting pregnant after a year of trying. It can be due to problems in either the man or the woman. These include issues like not ovulating, example PCOS, blocked fallopian tubes, or conditions like endometriosis. Common issues include low sperm count, poor sperm quality, or physical problems. ART includes medical procedures that help people with infertility. Eggs are fertilized by sperm outside the body and then the embryo is placed in the uterus. A single sperm is injected directly into an egg during IVF. It's useful for severe male infertility. Another woman carries a pregnancy for someone who cannot. Now, here's a question for you. What is contraception? A method to protect plants, a method to prevent pregnancy, a method to help plants grow, or a method to increase energy? Leave your answer and thoughts in the comment box and we will see you in the next episode.